Hi friends, this is Commander Sudhir Kumar again, and today I am going to talk about climate change. As all of us are aware that at what level climate change has gone, it is indeed a tipping point, and now it is in front of us. The unprecedented spread of coronavirus is one such indication which gives that it is due to the climate change only, because the habitats of viruses and different bacteria have been destroyed. So each country, each city planner and the global leaders have to work together to make this world CO2 free. And nowadays, during lockdown periods in entire world, it has been noticed, rather it has been analyzed, that the CO2 pollution has gone down by 16%, and overall effect is going to be near about, it is going to be 8%, in 8% less than the last year CO2 pollution which was existing. This is a very encouraging result, and we have to see to it now how we can stop such activities which is not going to give a spread to the population, to this CO2 pollution again. We have to find ways. There are many cities across the world. At city level, they are making concerted efforts, and these efforts are how to create the cycle pathways where the people can walk, having an access to the market, can use bicycles over there, or wherever the water sources are there, they are using different things where the fuel are not going to be used, making solar power run boats in the same way, like solar power based certain vehicles, electrical vehicles, so that we are keeping a check on now this climate change. Like as SDGs were drawn, and it was decided that every country has to make a certain amount of contribution to achieve SDGs by 2030, so that the increase in temperature is contained to 2 degrees centigrade. It was decided earlier, but later on, we must contain it by 1.5 degree centigrade, and but my recommendation is, why we can't try now to contain it by 1%, 1 degree centigrade by 2030. We have to make use of advanced nuclear technology and advanced nuclear reactors as a part of, an essential part of mixed band of our solar energy. I have seen that in solar energy, one part is that if equipments are not being used of a standard quality, the maintenance cycle in solar plants is going to be problematic, and India may face this kind of a situation because the maximum solar plants in India have come up where the parts and equipments are Chinese made, and now the Chinese products are not having standards and quality. So I feel that now during maintenance cycle there will be a lot of problems. So we have to take care of that, especially in India. The solar systems, the parts, everything has to be made of standard quality, and being manufactured indigenously, so that we don't spend that money on the maintenance. Coming back to climate change, if we are having a mixed band of nuclear energy, solar energy, wind energy, wherever it is possible, then it will be very good for the future. Secondly, like, people are still thinking to go on for the coal based, thermal based power stations. No, we have to convert this coal into the gasification and from gasification, the gas and power stations have to come so that we reduce this CO2 pollution. Another kind of pollution is the plastic. When these plastic is gathered in at our seas in such a huge amount that now small molecules of plastic is those are being eaten by the marine species. They are developing different kind of diseases, and I am sure by that we must be ready, the human race must be ready to face many pandemics in future if we are not restoring that. So this is the time, like all countries must come together to finish off this plastic waste from our seas. Another is that now we see our glaciers are melting, and at a rate where the rise at sea level is going to be there, and many cities those are there at seashore, they may not exist after some time because as water level is going. So all these are the problems well known to everyone. What I am requesting now that all these people, those are involved in industrializations, the development of nation, and then GDP based economy, they have to think that we think for the climate change, we think for environmental protection, we protect our species, biodiversities, our sea life, so that we restore this balance of Mother Nature. Even the farming, even if I talk about the farming which is happening in India, it is using so many chemicals, and whatever amount of chemicals we are adding into it, the natural appetite of that soil is decreasing year by year. The time will come, all of a sudden, that soil will not produce and yield what we desire out of it. So it is the right time that we must convert ourselves, the farming, into an organic farming. We must be contained or satisfied with less amount of income, but converting our population that they are eating organic food so that health remains good. The same way, there are many things which could be done at city level, like that waste management is done, recycling of water is done, and when we have this waste management at city level, the potable water is going to every house. I am sure this kind of a pandemic spread will not be in future. These countries, these cities will become green cities, and we make sure that this migrant laborers, those who have gone to the villages, they find suitable employment, enough of employment in rural areas. So this is the time, as I keep talking about it, that it's a great opportunity for India, it's a great opportunity for the entire world, where all leaders, all planners, all thinkers, that we have to get together to find ways to fight this climate change, so that we bring balance to Mother Nature at the earliest. We must resolve that we will not allow the temperature increase more than 1 degree centigrade by 2030. Once we achieve it, then we have another pledge that we will restore the temperature even less than 1 by 2050. Let's hope. And whatever I have talked about it, these are the areas well known to everyone. It is only the intent is lacking. Intent at country level is lacking, and that we are not coming together that to fight this climate change. And I am sure with this CO2 pollution going down, and it is as a result of lockdown, So with this example, we must pay attention that we should continue the same amount of less CO2 pollution, having electrical vehicles, and having a mixed band of nuclear, solar, and wind energy as our future prospects. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.